All right. Volunteers for a fair prepared 12 and 1/2 liters of smoothies. At the end of the day, the volunteers had 2 and 5/8 remaining. Clearly, you're going to subtract away the amount that remains to see what was sold. Okay. If we take away the amount that's left over, then the difference is what must have been sold from the time we had 12.5 liters to the time that we only had 2 and 5/8 liters. So what does this look like? Well, here we go, 12.5 minus 2 and 5/8. Recall that we need a common denominator. This is eighths, this is halves. What's the common denominator of 2 and 8? It is 8. So we turn this into 12 and 4/8. That's all we changed here. Oops. That's all we changed here was this 1/2 becomes 4/8. Now you will notice this. We have a whole number, we can subtract that whole number, but here is the issue. We only have 4 of these things, 4/8, and we need to take 5 of them away. We need more eighths to take away. So what are we going to do? We're going to borrow 1 from this 12, and we're going to turn it into eighths. Okay, so if we borrow 1 away, instead of 12, we now have 11. And where did that 1 go? It went here. This is 8/8. This 8/8 right here is equal to 1. And these 4/8 right here are equal to the 4/8 that we had when we converted 1/2 into 4/8. Okay, so we now have got 8 plus 4/8 or 12/8 there, right? The 11 here is 1 less because we put that 1 into 8/8. So we had enough eighths to do the math we need to do. So now we've got 11 and 12/8, still the same amount. 8/8 here becomes 1, that would make 12, and then there would be 4/8 remaining, that's equal to the 1/2. So now we can say 11 minus 2 is 9, and 12/8 minus 5/8 is 7/8. So we have 11 minus 2 is 9, and the 12/8 minus the 5/8, remember they are eighths, they stay eighths. We just said 12 minus 5 is 7 of them. So we have 9 and 7/8 liters of smoothie sold.